Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of c if we have c divided by c plus c is equals to 7 times of c, and we solve this problem for all the values of c. So here first we need to find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. So further we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move towards the solution of this problem for first method. And in the first method we need to focus in the denominator term, and you see here these are the two same variable terms are added by each other, so we just add the coefficients of these two terms, and you see here the coefficients of both of these two terms are 1, so it will becomes 1c, and 1c becomes 2c is equals to 7 times of c. And further, because we solve this problem for the values of c, so that we move this 2c to the right hand side. You see here 2c is multiplied by 2c is divided by left hand side. When we move it into the right hand side, it is multiplied by 7c. So when we move 2c to the right hand side, it will becomes 7c multiplied by 2c. And further in the next step we have here we need to multiply the constant values with constant values and variable terms with variable terms. So here we have 7 times of 2 becomes 14, and c multiplied by c becomes here c square, and in the left hand side we have only one c. So here we move this c to the right hand side, and it will be written as 14 times of c square. When we move this into the right hand side, it will becomes negative c, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now you see here both of these terms involve c, so it means that we need to take common c from here, and when we take common c from here, we get the remaining values are 14 times of c minus 1 is equals to 0. And in the next step we need to divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write c is equals to 0, and the second case is we write 14c minus 1 is equals to 0. So this is the our first root of the given equation. And now here, in order to find the other roots, we need to solve this equation. So from here we need to move this minus 1 to the right hand side, and it will becomes 14c is equals to plus 1. So here for the values of c, we divide both of the sides by 14. So when we divide both of the sides by 14, it will be written as 14c is divided by 14 is equals to 1 is divided by 14. And further in the next step, you see here this is cancelled out by this one, and we get the value of c is equals to 1 divided by 14. So this is the value, this is the second value of c which we get here. And in the next steps we need to verify that which of these two values are solution or which of these two values are extraneous root. So for this we need to copy down given question statement here, and the given question statement is c divided by c plus c is equals to 7 times of c. So this is the our given question statement, and here we verify c is equals to 0, and here we will be verify c is equals to 1 divided by 14. So here when we substitute c is equals to 0 into the given question statement, it will be written as here we have this is 0 divided by 0 plus 0 is equals to 7 times of 0. And here you see that this is 0 over 0 form, and 7 times of 0 is also equals to 0. So here you need to remember some things here. So in the left hand side we have this is the 0 by 0 form, and we usually call that it is the indeterminate form. Okay, so if this is the indeterminate form, or in other words we just say that it is undefined. So if our left hand side is undefined, this means that both of the sides are not equal. So if both of the sides are not equal, so we conclude about c is equals to 0 is that c is equals to 0 be the extraneous root of the given equation. Okay. So here I can explain the term extraneous root. So the roots which does not satisfy our given question statements is called the extraneous root. So here c is equal to 0 be the extraneous root. And now we move towards the second root of the given equation. So from here we verify c is equals to 1 over 14 and we put this value on both of the sides, and it will be written as 1 divided by 14 is divided by 1 divided by 14 plus 1 divided by 14 is equals to 7 multiplied by 1 divided by 14. So this is the our given question in which we can substitute these values, and here we get this is 1 divided by 14, and here you see that these are two same values added by each other. We write it as 2 times of 1 divided by 14. So you see here this 1 divided by 14 is cancelled out by this 1 divided by 14 and in the right hand side we have 7 times of 2 becomes 14, and in the right hand side we get 1 over 2, but in the left hand side in the numerator we get 1, and in the denominator we get this 2 is equals to 1 divided by 2. So this shows that both of the sides are equal. So if both of the sides are equal, this means that c is equals to 1 over 4 be the solution set of the given question. So our solution set of this question is that c is equals to 1 divided by 14. So this is the final answer which we get here from first method. And now we move towards our second method. And in second method, first we need to copy down given question statement here, and the given question statement is c divided by c plus c is equals to 7 times of c. So here in this method I can just give you quick roots of this equation. For this we need to sum up first the denominator terms, and c plus c becomes here 2 times of c is equals to 7c, and here you see that this c is cancelled out by this c, and we will get here 1 over 2 is equals to 7c. And for the values of c we need to remove 7 from right hand side. For this we just divide both of the sides by 7, so it will be written as in this form. So this 7 is cancelled out by this 7, and we get here this is 7 times of 2 becomes 14, and we get here 1 over 14 is equals to c. So this is the value of c which we get here from second method, and already in the first method we verify that this value c satisfied our given question statement. So this is our final answer of this question, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.